Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. The OnePlus 8T has just been released and we have gotten our very first leaks about the OnePlus 9 series. But before, let's talk about the green screen issue on my Note 10. So as you might know, I did buy a Note 10 Plus recently and it came with a very horrible case of green screen. This is clearly visible and it is very similar to what OnePlus 8 Pro owners have been struggling for months now. The only solution to this issue is to get a replacement, which I did, and the new unit thankfully is issue free. I did search on the internet for other Note owners reporting similar issues, but for now I couldn't find any. Also, some OnePlus users that I know of kept their OnePlus 8 Pros even after having these issues, and now that I have experienced the issue firsthand, I can safely say that I can't live with this issue. If I'm spending that much money, I will not expect a defective phone. Also, I will keep looking into the OnePlus 8T for similar issues, but so far so good. Now coming to the OnePlus 9. So we have a code name of the smartphone. The smartphone is under development with the code name Lemonade. There is a cool song with the same name, you should check it out. I can't play it for copyright issues. We also have somewhat of a teaser image showing the usual OnePlus button placements including power button, alert slider and the volume rockers. The OnePlus 9 Pro probably will have a curved screen and the regular OnePlus 9 could very well be flat. The smartphone is expected to use Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 processor and will retain the 120Hz of refresh rate display. As for the release date of the smartphone, we have a report suggesting that the OnePlus 9 series could launch as early as in March. This is about a month sooner than when the OnePlus 8 Pro was released, which was 14th of April, which in itself was about a month sooner than the launch of the OnePlus 7 Pro 14th of May. With the OnePlus 9 Pro's early launch, OnePlus will have a bigger fight with the Galaxy S21 series, which may or may not be a good thing. Samsung is a giant, and OnePlus might wanna stay clear of colliding with the Goliath. In the April-May release cycle of the OnePlus, they had free air before and after the launch because normal phone launch cycle is about August, September or October. But hey, OnePlus is clearly more smart than me, so who am I to judge? Also, as you know, OnePlus's long-standing CEO Carl Pei has left the company because of some not so clear reasons. So it will be interesting how they will move forward with none of the leaders being present in the bigger picture. Let me know guys your thoughts about the OnePlus 9 Pro and its release date. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.